Hey good people, I am back with another amazing quick snack hack. Yes, I like that, quick snack hack. Alright, so today I hope you have some pretzels and some chocolates. So we're gonna make chocolate covered pretzels with almost like chocolate covered strawberries. You can cover anything with chocolate, bananas, candy. You can cover a lot of stuff with chocolate. Okay, as you can see, my chocolate is nice and melted. And what I'm gonna do is, I need the scissors to open up the pretzels. If this is Martha Stewart, she would have had her pretzels all laid out, all neat and everything. You know she would have. So now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna take the chocolate and just roll it. You see, the reason why I made it long, I want all it to be covered. I'm gonna roll it. Ooh, look how nice that looks. Then I'm gonna lay it on the wax paper. I'm gonna roll another one. And it took 3 minutes to melt this chocolate. And I'm gonna roll it on wax paper. And let me get another one. Put a little bit more chocolate down here. Just roll it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna coat them with some nice pretty stuff. I'm making these for my daughter as well. You know, I think all of my daughters have made these chocolate covered pretzels. You know, when it snows outside, you need to find something to do. I have 4 kids and I have one last princess. I have a total of 3 princesses. And for the most part, I will be an empty nester soon. What will I do with my time?
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
What will I do with my time? Oh my gosh. All right, so let me just point my camera a little bit down. I know it's just bad. This is not Martha Stewart. So I have some, if you live in the South, you can call it pecans or pecans. We call it pecans. I'm gonna put pecans on one of them. Oh, we love pecans. I said pecans, but I called it pecans. I don't know which I call it. I'm gonna sprinkle some pecans. And I just grated a couple of them. I'm gonna put that on one of them. On the other, my kid doesn't really like coconut. So I'm just gonna put some little pretty sprinkles on it. Here I go with these Christmas tree sprinkles again. Gonna put some nice little sprinkles. I'm running out of sprinkles because I have no more kids at home. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some coconut on one of them. And on the last one, I put this sugar stuff. So, and then after this, guess what? All I need to do is wait for them to dry. And when they dry, they will be so beautiful and so tasty. And it's a quick snack. It's a really quick snack for you to do with the kids. You know, everything is about the kids in my house. We cook all the time, baking something, but it really is about the kids. And you want your kids to one day do this with your grandkids. So teach them now, teach them to have fun, to get in the kitchen. Because to be honest, when I left for college, I couldn't even boil an egg. Like literally, I could not boil an egg. So, but now, of course, you know, that's a little different now. I love cooking. I love everything about cooking. Except for cleaning the dishes. Yeah, I'm gonna put a lot of this pecan stuff on it because we love pecans, whatever you call it. Now I don't even remember what I call it because I'm gonna put something over here on this one because this one. So it takes about a couple minutes for them to set. If you're in a rush, you can drop them in the refrigerator and it will probably take an additional 5 minutes. So we're gonna let these sit, then I'll come back and I'll show you how we're gonna wrap them and to put them in a basket as a giveaway. Like if your kid is having a birthday party, this is an excellent snack. Or even, you know, you can judge it up for a cocktail party by adding pretzels with little cayenne peppers, and oh my god, you can do some amazing things with this to make it like really nice. So because this is a kitty mom, then we're gonna do kitty ones. Maybe I'll come back and do some like adult ones, you know, if you have an adult party. Oh my gosh, that'd be so amazing. All right, so give me 1 second until they cool off, and then I'll wrap them up and put them, show you what they're gonna look like before I put them in her basket.
And now for our question of the day. Let's see if you were paying attention. How many pretzels did Fran cover on camera? Put your response down in the comments. We'll shout you out in an upcoming video.
Hello, good people. So as you can see, it's done. Oh my god, is that gorgeous or what? See how pretty that is? And you can put it in a basket. You can also use it as an appetizer, hors d'oeuvres, or you know, send your kids to school with it. Like yum. And we'll see you next time. I got another snack for you that I swear it takes 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. I promise you. Your kids are gonna be healthy. We're gonna have a happy new year, and we're gonna enjoy this life and everything in it. All right, bye for now. See you for the next Fran's hack.